West New York, and welcome to my newest listing. This place is awesome. Check it out, 3,200 square feet, acre-and-a-half lot, a hot day, a cool pool. I can't wait to show you around. Let's go check it out.